Welcome to One Point Perspective Bricks. One Point Perspective is a system of drawing forms that help create the illusion of deep space. There is only one vanishing point to which all things would eventually fade in the distance. This vanishing point is usually in the center of the drawing, on the horizon line or eye line. That is the level your eye would be on when looking at the scene. Basic rules for working in one-point perspective are as follows. All lines must be made with a straight edge, a ruler, a triangle, or a T-square. All vertical lines must be vertical. All horizontal lines must be horizontal, that is, parallel to the horizon line. All other lines must connect to the vanishing point. This creates the illusion of depth. There are only three types of lines that can extend from any given point. In one-point perspective, they are vertical lines, horizontal lines, and those that connect to the vanishing point. In this presentation, all horizontal lines will be drawn in black, all vertical lines will be drawn in brown, and all lines connecting to the vanishing point will be in green. First, you're going to draw a box that crosses the horizon line. Your box should be pretty large. Next, mark evenly spaced points from the top to the bottom of the vertical lines on the front face. Right here, marked with these red dots. Connect these points to form horizontal lines in the bricks. Then connect each of these to the vanishing point. If you end up with stripes instead of lines radiating from the vanishing point, you need to erase and start over. Next, mark lightly the vertical lines that separate each brick. Notice how the vertical lines in the bricks line up vertically. They're also staggered. You may darken the vertical lines for the bricks. When you are finished, you may erase all of your guidelines, anything outside the box, and the guides for the vertical lines in the bricks. Now, one-point perspective assignment number 2. You're going to use a sheet of daily assignment paper to draw a series of boxes in one-point perspective. Again, your paper will be horizontal. Draw a horizon line at the center of the page and place your vanishing point in the middle of the horizon line. All of your boxes will use this vanishing point for the perspective. As always, all lines must be made with a ruler, all vertical lines must be vertical, horizontal lines must be horizontal, and all other lines must connect to the vanishing point, as this creates the illusion of depth. Now, you will draw one box crossing the horizon line with a height of 3 inches. You will fill this box with bricks 1/4 inch high on the front face, and then fill in the bricks on the side face. The next three sections were not discussed in the video, but they do follow along where you're drawing boxes next to each other using these same lines. So for number 2, draw 3 boxes stacked on top of one another. You're going to use the same vertical lines for each box. Make sure there's a space in between each box. Next, draw 3 boxes next to each other. Use the same horizontal lines. Again, leave a space between each of the boxes. Next, draw 3 boxes in a row toward the vanishing point. Use the same lines to the vanishing point, and again, remember to leave spaces between the boxes. Darken the outlines of each box and erase any guidelines. And remember to write your name and date in the corner of your paper. Good luck.